Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Bet Plus subscription and start watching exclusive content, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth setup process. Step 1. Visit the official BET Plus website at betplus.com or download the BET Plus app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button to begin creating your account. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your BET Plus account. Step 4. Provide any additional required information such as your name and date of birth. Step 5. Select your preferred subscription plan. BET Plus offers monthly subscriptions with different features. Step 6. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or choose an alternative payment method. Step 7. Review the subscription terms and billing information before completing the transaction. Step 8. Click Confirm or Complete Subscription to activate your account. Log in with your credentials and start streaming BET Plus original series, movies, and entertainment immediately on any compatible device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.